Hi, I am David Parada. I am 24 years old. I wearing jean jacket. He is my father. It is his birthday. We are celebrate your birthday 46 and we are so happy for this date. My father used black, pink and white t-shirt. She is my mom. My mom is wearing black t-shirt. He is my brother Sebastian. Sebastian is wearing a square black and white t-shirt. And he is my other brother, Julian. Julian is wearing white t-shirt and black pants. We are eating cake and drink wine. My brothers, Julian and Sebastian, traveling to Valledupar, Colombia. In Valledupar, visit the monument of Vallenato music. Sebastian is wearing jean and red t-shirt, and Julian wearing tropical t-shirt and beige pants. They are enjoy his travel because they is they are so fan for vallenato music. In this picture is this is my family. My family is very important for me and celebrate the date of birthday for my dad. He is Sergio. Sergio is my boyfriend. Sergio is wearing jean jacket, white t-shirt, and black pants. Also, me wearing the same clothes because this day celebrate for love in the Salitre Mágico in Bogota. This is other birthday for my dad. My dad is wearing red jacket and jeans, and my mom is wearing t-shirt and jeans. They are eating salmon and and drink champagne and eat more minutes more later cake. This is Sergio and me. He is my boyfriend, and in this day, celebrate married of family that Sergio. Sergio is used. They are Sergio is wearing formal dress blue. I am wearing formal dress red. They attended a wedding. They have a great hairstyles. In all of pictures, this is my family and me. Thank you so much.